Welcome back. You should be able to go inside of your individual conversations to see all of the artifacts that have been created. Now, all of the artifacts have been labeled, and those that have been labeled as code can be converted into an element that can be published on the web. For example, we can click on any element, and this element can be turned into an HTML file to be published on the web. So in this case, we're going to request that we have our infographic turned into a publishable web document. So we are going to give Claude a very simple prompt. So what we can now do is we can download our file. And to make sure that it looks the way we want, we can open it onto our personal computer and we'll have the file that we want. So basically what we can now do is we can take this file and we can upload it to our server in order to have it on the web. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.